Hi, my name is Andile Mangwana. I'm a Queer Catalyst Alumni from 2023. With this project, I managed to create two animations, one so-called Love Cannot and Picture Imperfect. This overall experience was one that I'll never ever forget. It's one that made me grow immensely as a creative and as an artist. I managed to be around people that were patient with me, managed to communicate better and know how to actually navigate my space. And I got to actually be free as a queer creative, which is something that's so rare in this country, especially this province as a whole. I got to learn more. I got to actually see stuff outside of my usual space of creating, which is filmmaking. I managed to actually see what animation could offer for me. I would like to thank Fak'ugesi and Kala for the experience. It was one that I'll never ever forget. It's going to stay with me throughout this journey, and I appreciate it very, very much. If you feel like this is time for you to create something that speaks to who you are, then do apply. You will not regret this opportunity. It's one of those that will grow you immensely as a queer creative. This is a time for your queer expression to actually be seen and explored. Thank you.